So today I will be explaining the 8051. 2 to 3 lines you can say the what is the microprocessor and what is the microcontroller. Anyone? I already told you, na? What is the basic difference? What are the 8085 and what are the 8051?
মাইক্রোপ্রসেসরে আমি যখন একটা কাজ করব মাল্টিপল কাজ একসাথে আমি করতে পারবো মাইক্রোপ্রসেসরে, যেটা মাইক্রো কন্ট্রোলারে একটা কাজ আমি এট এ টাইম একটাই করতে পারবো।
Okay. Anything else?
আর মাইক্রোপ্রসেসরের থেকে মাইক্রো কন্ট্রোলার মার্কেট অ্যাকচুয়ালি কস্ট কম।
Okay. Any other point? Any other point? RAM, ROM, printer related to that? RAM, ROM, timer, counter. Tell me. No one. RAM, ROM, all are connected externally in microprocessor system, but in a microcontroller system, all are available on chip. All are available on chip. Huh?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Devajyoti, is clear to you? I think he is not there. That's why I'm checking. So basically, what are the functions? How it will be worked? Say this is a ROM 4K. This is ROM 4K. Okay. This is RAM 128 byte. Timer 0, timer 1. UART.
হ্যালো
হ্যালো,
হ্যালো স্যার, আওয়াজ যাচ্ছে?
একদম যাচ্ছে। ঘুমিয়ে
ও,
পড়েছিলেন নাকি?
না না, আমাকে অনিকেত ফোন করে বলে তোকে স্যার ডাকছে, দেখ।
আর দেখে তারপরে জানাতে হচ্ছে
সরি স্যার।
কিরকম ক্লাস করছো, বুঝতে পেরেছো তো?
ওটা ইন্টারাপ্ট কন্ট্রোল।
Interrupt controller. Interrupt controller, ROM 4K, RAM 128 bytes, timer 0, timer 1, UART, 4 IO port, bus controller, 8-bit CPU, and oscillation circuit, OSC circuit. In 8085, all are connected externally, but in 8086, all are available in the chip itself. Right? like ROM 4K, it's available in the chip. ROM 128 bytes is available on the chip. Two timer, timer 0, timer 1 also is available on the chip. Timer means which is count the clock pulses. There are two timer. Today we are learn one timer 8254. Now you know you will be getting the timer over here itself. There are two timer, timer 0 or timer 1. Each can count 16 bit wise. Each can count 16 bit. 16 bit data it can count at a time, right? Is it clear?
And 0 and 1 দুখানা মিলিয়ে 16 বিট না শুধু
No,
সিঙ্গেল
no. This is 16 bit. This is 16 bit.
Individual.
Individual 16 bit. It can count from 0000 to FFFF. It can count from 0000 to FFFF. Every one. Timer 0 can count 0000 to FFFF. Timer 1 can count 002 FFFF. So what are the requirement of count, sir? What are the requirement of count? Tell me. Now just 5 minutes before I tell you that the counter is nothing but a use for the delay program. Okay,
হ্যাঁ স্যার
calculating the delay program. There are two timer or two counter. Whenever counting the internal clock pulses, then it's called timer. When counting the external clock pulses, then it's called counter. Okay.
ইয়েস স্যার
Okay, sir.
Next
sir.
is you know, four IO port P0, P2, P1, P3. IO port means in 8255 we have a 3 ports. Port A, port B, port C, right? Similarly, over here is a 4 port P0, P2, P1, P3. Okay?
হ্যাঁ স্যার স্যার একটা
Means
কোশ্চেন আছে
Yeah,
স্যার এখানে P0 এর পরে P1 না এসে 2 আসলো কেন
2 এসছে কেন বলছি পরে।
আচ্ছা
আগে তো লিখে দাও না P0, P2, P1, P3 আমি ভুল করে লিখি। This is correct. P0, P2, P1, P3. So there are 4 ports. Each port 8 bit wide. Each port 8 bit wide means it have 8 bits. 8 pins are there. So how many pins are there for total?
64 পিন
64,
32
32. 8 into 4 is a 32. Where P0 and P2 use also input output port as well as address oblique data buses. That's why on P0 and P2 we are right side by side. It also used as a address oblique data buses. Okay. Whenever
Okay, sir.
I am going into the pin configuration, you can see that what are the functions of P0 and what are the functions of P1. But in general, rather than address and data buses, it also worked as a as a port, input output port. Next, coming into the UART, it's a very important. UART is used in a serial communications. Sir, what are the parallel communication and what do you mean by serial communications? Anyone have any idea?
স্যার অনেকদিন
Serial
আগে যেটা স্যার আপনি
communication-
বুঝিয়েছিলেন যে প্যারালাল কমিউনিকেশনে একসাথে অনেকগুলো ডাটা নিয়ে যাওয়া যায়, সিরিয়াল কমিউনিকেশনে সেটা নয়, একটা একটা করে নিয়ে যেতে হবে।
Very good.
Time
Just
টা বেশি
see,
লাগবে।
just see. For that, just see. There is a bus. These are the bus. Means it had 8 similar kind of lines. 8 similar kind of lines. This is a branch of lines, and it's called bus. 8-bit bus, right? But over here you can see only one lines for transmission, another line for reception. TXD transmission, RXD reception. TXD is transmission and RXD for reception. Is it clear?
হ্যাঁ স্যার
Sir.
So TXD is the transmission and RXD for receptions. That is the function. This is the function of UART. Full form of UART is universal asynchronous receiver and transmit. Universal asynchronous receiver and transmit. Universal asynchronous receiver and transmit.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what are the function of TXD and XD? For serial communications. Only one bit, it can be sent. Means if the distance is high, then we are going into the always serial communication mode, right?
হ্যাঁ স্যার
When distance is small, then we are going into the parallel communication mode.
Parallel combination.
Next, bus controller, which is control all the buses. Bus controller, which is control all the buses. Okay. Is it clear?
हाँ sir.
Next, this is the interrupt controller. Interrupt controller means it have 2 internal interrupt and 3 external interrupt. Out of these 5 interrupt, only 1 interrupt is sending into the CPU. What does it mean? What does it mean? Say, Devajyoti now today is sleeping, so Devajyoti is not possible. So now, Shubhra, I'm making you
Ah,
as a
sir.
monitor. Making you as a monitor. So what are the functions of Shubhra? If everyone you want to ask any questions, it will be coming through Shubhra. Means they will be asked to Shubhra, they will be passes to Shubhra, and Shubhra given one by one according to my suggestions that who will be the first one, who will be the second one, and who will be the third one. So Silpa is very close to Didi. Didi means
আমাদের পিসি
Didi. So Silpa should be get highest priority. Okay.
Yes.
Silpa will be gets highest
Yes, sir.
priority. So Silpa is the highest priority. Now Lalan is not staying in Bengal. So I can give you the Lalan is the lowest priority. So similar kind of things, one by one, I am given a priority level. Silpa is the first, next another one, next another one, next another one, next the Lalan, right? So as a result,
Yes.
from first to last, there is a priority level. If everyone asks in the same time, same one questions, but Shubhra will be given the first Silpa priority, then maybe Bindu, maybe then Ankit, then maybe Devajyoti, then maybe the Lalan,
Lalan.
right?
Yes.
Sir.
One by one questions will be given. So that function is done by the interrupt controller. He absorbed the 3 internal interrupt, 2 external interrupt. Out of this 5 interrupt, only 1 interrupt is sending into the CPU. 3 internal interrupt, 2 external interrupt. Out of this 5 interrupt, only 1 interrupt into the CPU, right? CPU is
5 input 1 output নাকি interrupt controller?
yes, not 5. It's more than 5. You can connect the external interrupt over here. There is the interrupt controller IC. You need the more interrupt, then you can connect the interrupt controller also. So that's the different part. So out of this 5 interrupt, only 1 interrupt is sending into the CPU.
স্যার আইএনটিআর এর মতো
INTR exactly. Similarly, CPU 8-bit, it's a use for whole process. Is just like a brain of a total microcontroller, which is control all the operations on off. Everything is controlled by the CPU 8-bit operations. There is a ROM, in 8051, I already told you, it have a 64 kilobyte program memory and 64 kilobyte data memory. It's have 64 kilobyte program memory and 64 kilobyte data memory, right? Out of this 64 kilobyte program memory, 4 kilobyte on-chip ROM is available. 4 kilobyte on-chip RAM is available. Okay, and out of 64 kilobyte, out of 64 kilobyte data memory, 128 byte RAM internally available. 128 byte internal RAM also available. Just see, ROM you cannot write. That's why the arrow is a just single-ended arrow. The data only you can get. Data you cannot. All the all the blocks are connected with a bidirectional. Only ROM is connected with a unidirectional. Because you cannot write, only you can read. Okay.
Yes sir.
Bus controller, which is
Okay,
control all the buses. Oscillation circuit, which is given the clock. This is the symbol of crystal. We are connecting with a 12 megahertz crystal. These are the capacitor. We are connecting these 2 capacitor is nothing but a 10 to 50 picofarad capacitor. PF. 10 to 50 PF. We are given 33 PF in our practical work. Okay. Is it clear?
হ্যাঁ স্যার, হ্যাঁ স্যার।
So what are the features? Features of 8051. Write down. Features of 8051. Number 1, on chip. Number 1, on chip. 4K ROM. On chip 4K ROM. On chip 128 bytes RAM. On chip 128 bytes RAM. Okay. 2 timer, timer 0 and timer 1. 2 timer, timer 0 and timer 1. Each 16-bit wide. Each 16-bit wide, which is counting the clock pulses.
স্যার আরেকবার বলবেন কি বললেন?
On chip
না,
Four-
টাইমার 0 and টাইমার 1 এর পর।
two on chip 2 16-bit timer. On chip 2 16-bit timer. হ্যাঁ,
816 bit wide বললাম তো।
ভুলে যাবো না স্যার, কিভাবে মনে থাকতে পারে? On chip যে যা লিখতে পারো লিখো। On chip 2 16-bit timer, timer 0 and timer 1, or on chip 2 timer, timer 0 and timer 1, each 16-bit wide. You can write also the same. Okay,
So which is counting?
which is used for counting the internal or external clock pulses. Which is used for counting the internal or external clock pulses. Which is used to counting the internal and external clock pulses. Internal and external clock pulses. Okay. On chip UART, on chip full duplex UART, on chip full duplex UART. You know full duplex? What is a full duplex?
না স্যার।
Full duplex zone. There are 3 types of communications. One is a simplex communication, one is a half duplex communication, one is a full duplex communication. What is a simplex? Simplex just like a televisions. Say maybe in your village or in your in your town, whatever it is, there is a incident is happening, and but in the news is showing in a different. It is a different. It's an accident case, but it is told as a murder case, or it's a murder case. It is told as an accident case, right?
Yes sir.
But whenever in a newspaper, in the news, maybe in ABP News or maybe 24 Ghanta, whatever it is showing something, you can protest that this is a wrong. This is a wrong. It cannot be happen. You can tell those kind of things, but in the reverse side, they can listen your words. Means those are the ABP News and all. They can learn from you anything. They can heard from you. Tell me.
বুঝলাম না।
বুঝতে পারলে না? তোমার টিভিতে একটা নিউজ চলছে, সেই নিউজটা তুমি এগেইনস্টে যেতে চাইছো, এই নিউজটা ভুল বলছে, তোমার পাড়ায় ওটা অ্যাকচুয়ালি খুন হয়নি, এটা অ্যাকচুয়ালি অ্যাক্সিডেন্ট কেস, কিন্তু সেটা খুন বলা হচ্ছে। তুমি টিভির সামনে দাঁড়িয়ে বলে এটা পুরো ভুল। উল্টো দিকে যে আছে, মিন্স দ্য নিউজ অপারেটর ক্যান লিসেন ইওর ওয়ার্ড।
No sir.
শুনতে পাচ্ছে?
নো স্যার।
কোনোদিন শুনতে পাচ্ছে। So this is a called simplex communication, only one way communication. Only
one way communication.
Only one way communication. Is it clear?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
বুঝে এবার বাকিটা বুঝে গেছি।
This is called simplex. Okay?
Okay
Means
sir.
TV, you know, any radio, all are simplex, only one-way communication. There is another
But
communication.
the phone
Huh?
phone call এটা
I will
তাহলে
be coming,
duplex
sir.
হয়।
I will be
duplex.
coming. I will be coming. Phone call is not a simplex. You can say
Duplex
anything.
sir।
Duplex.
Next, I am coming into the half duplex. What is a half duplex? Half duplex just like a walkie-talkie. When you can say anything, then you know transmitter is different, receiver is different. Whenever you can transmit, you cannot receive. Whenever you receive, you cannot transmit. Is it clear?
হুম।
Means
sir.
transmission and reception cannot be done at the same time. Either transmit or receive. Just like you
Means
walk.
phone call is a half duplex
No,
তাহলে।
I am
না
just
ফোন
talking about
কল
the.
হাফ নয়।
I'm
Phone is
just
the
talking
full
about the
duplex.
half duplex. Half duplex means just like a walkie-talkie. In walkie-talkie, in
Mhm.
any movies, you can see over and out. What does it mean, over and out? Over and out means now I am in a transmission mode, so I am going into the receiving mode. If anyone wants to transmit the data, you can transmit. So over and out बोल के
हम्म।
मैंने जो ट्रांसमिशन मोड था उसको खत्म करके मैंने रिसीविंग मोड में जा रहा हूँ.
अच्छा।
Is it clear?
Yes sir।
Yes, sir.
Means transmission and reception cannot be done in the same time, but it can be done. Those can transmit, he can receive. Those can receive, he can transmit. Right?
হুম।
But not in the same time. তুমি বলবে এবং শুনবে দুটো সম্ভব. Next, coming into the full duplex. Full duplex means transmission and reception both can be done in the same time, like mobile phone. मोबाइल फोन में ये ऐसा नहीं होता था, तो सुब्रा क्या करते थे? सुब्रा तुम्हारा घर किधर है?
আসানসোল।
আসানসোল, ভেরি গুড। দেবজ্যোতি তোমার ঘর কোথায়? কাটোয়া।
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
আমি আজকে যাবো কাটোয়া।
ভালো তো স্যার, কখন আসবেন?
আমি যাবো রাধিকাপুর।
আচ্ছা।
তো
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা
বলছি পরে সেটা। So basically, say Shubra, whenever coming into the college, maybe going into the market, but whenever some call is coming from his mother or father, she told like that, मम्मी अभी बहुत क्लास चल रहा है तो बहुत पढ़ाई कर रहा है। तो तुम पढ़ाई कर रहे हो तो तुम्हारा साइड में आवाज कैसे आ रहा है? जे फुचका 10 रुपया में 5, 10 रुपया में 5। मम्मी वो एक फ्रेंड है ना, वो ऐसा गॉसिप कर रहा है। मतलब सुब्रा पकड़ा गया that he is not in the hostel. She is now in a market. Am I right?
Market. Yes sir।
So this kind of happening only due to the full duplex communications. If it's a half duplex, so then there will not be any problem.
হুম।
Is it clear?
Yes sir।
Yes, sir.
So that is the function of half duplex and full duplex. It is the function of half duplex and full duplex. So this is the full duplex,
Okay sir।
where one full duplex UART for transmission and reception, where TXD used for transmission and RXD used for reception, where TXD used for transmission and RXD used for receptions, where TXD used for transmission and RXD used for receptions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Four
Yes sir।
IO port, each 8-bit wide. 4 IO port, each 8-bit wide. So there are 32 IO lines. Out of that, port 0 and port 2 also used as a address oblique data bus. Port 0 and port 2 also used as a address oblique data bus. Address oblique data bus.
Database।
Okay.
Yes sir।
Next, on-chip bus controller, which is control all the buses. On-chip bus controller which is control all the buses. Eight-bit CPU optimization for process control. 8-bit CPU optimization for process control. 8-bit CPU optimization for process control. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
On-chip interrupt controller. On-chip interrupt controller. Which is control all the buses. Which is control all the buses. Which is control all the. So on-chip interrupt controller which have 3 internal and 2 external interrupt. 3 internal and 2 external interrupt. Out of these 5 interrupt, only 1 interrupt are sending into the CPU. Out of these 5 interrupt, only 1 interrupt are sending into the CPU. On-chip oscillation circuit which is used to generate the clock pulse. Which is used to generate the clock pulse. Okay.
sir.
Set to
Okay,
generate
sir.
the
Clock pulse.
Clock pulse.
Just you learn the architecture and whatever that I am described in the last microcontroller class, please go through it. Please go through it. Tomorrow I will not